Good morning. Just made my kale smoothie, chocolate kale smoothie, and Bella, come on, let's go. Hey, come on. We're gonna go get the girls some kale, check out the garden a little bit. Oh, I left my kale smoothie there, but that's all right. Oh, good morning, Bubbles. Can you, hey, can you say hi to the camera? Hello? Bella, hey. Oh, Dad didn't get your food started yet, did he? You're probably worried about that. That's all right. All right, let's go. Come on. Woo! Now, come here. Woo! Come here, Belle. Always, hey. Always at your own paces. Always at your own paces. You know what? No. Stay in here. Stay in here. Yeah, I know. There we go. But it was a beautiful night yesterday. It's cooled down. It's supposed to be a little cooler today, which is really nice. Oh, one thing is, and it's inside clearly, but I did get a new blender. Not that the Ninja has not been working amazingly, but just wanted to upgrade a little bit. So I got, well, a lot of it. So we ended up going and I ended up ordering a Vitamix, and I made my smoothie with it this morning, and wowzers, it did a fantastic job. We'll give you some updates on that in the future. Here's my compost pile. So this is, so I put bamboo in there at the start, and then I pull it up to create airways, so that it does not go anaerobic. But if I touch in here, I don't know if you can see here, I'll cover it with my hand, which I can only do for a few seconds because it's hurting really bad right now, and it would burn my hand. And then you see that smoke come out, you can see. It's really firing on all cylinders, so that's really good. Wow, the kale is looking great. Oh, here's something I wanted to show you. Well, beyond the kale, my premier kale. Here's the lettuce. It's growing good, coming up, popping up well. This stuff is looking really, really good. I get asked a lot of questions about this, like landscape fabric, the plastic here, and yes, we're working towards a zero plastic-free farm. But as we're getting started, this was very weedy ground, and if we're trying to keep our soil as healthy as possible, without the use of things like tillers or sprays, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, these are just a good, organic, non-invasive way to do it for a time being. They're placeholders, they're not forever things, which is kind of the definition of plastic. Most of this is secondhand. I really have not bought anything. I've bought it, but it was all recycled from another farmer, so that makes you feel a little bit better. But here are some of my squashes, and we've got our watermelon patch right here. In the middle, in between all of it, I've actually got red clover that is growing to be kind of a cover crop, which is nice. Some blue Aztec corn. Let's go check on, well, there's peppers everywhere pretty much. If you can see this, these guys are just starting, but the way this plant is growing, this is gonna be filled with hundreds and hundreds of these little serrano type peppers. Oh, let's check on our eggplant. Ooh, it's getting bigger. That's fun. All right, last thing is, well, if I can find it, some hot peppers. Look at these guys. You're not gonna need too many of these scorpion peppers to heat your day up. So, all right, let's go run over there, grab some kale for the girls. Well, we're not gonna run. Girls, you ready for your kale? Grab a piece. There we go. So it's getting a little buggier than I'd like, which is going to happen as we're building up our biological systems. You know, you have to have bad bugs to bring in the good bugs. That's what the hope is. All right, girls, here's some kale. Bella, be gentle. A little bit. A little bit. Okay. Bubbles. Okay. Well, you jumped after it, but you didn't really get any. Hey. Hey, Bella, you wait. Bubbles. Okay, you didn't wait. That's for you. You girls are crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Oh, where are you going? We hope you all have a wonderful day. We love you and are excited for the weekend. Today is Friday. Your weekend might be starting right now, or it starts at 5. Whenever it starts. We hope you have a wonderful day. We love you. Bye.